Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a critical aspect of API development, error handling and status codes. This is the Data Legos API Developer Guide. We'll be focusing on a few key areas today, specifically on error handling and status codes, which are essential for building robust and reliable APIs. When an application communicates with a server, they don't use plain language, they use status codes and error messages. Think of these as a form of traffic signals for our digital world. Just like a traffic light tells you to go, stop, or be cautious, status codes tell us if a request was successful, if it failed, or if something went wrong on the server's end. They are the universal language that helps clients and servers understand each other. We'll cover 3 standard codes. 200, success. This means everything worked perfectly. For example, when you log in with the correct credentials, the server responds with a 200 OK, and you're granted access. 400, a client error. This indicates that the problem is on the client side. The request itself was invalid, perhaps due to a wrong format, missing parameters, or malformed data. If you try to log in but leave the password field empty, the server would return a 400 bad request. The issue is with the request you sent, not the server itself. 500, server error. This means the server itself failed, even though your request was correct. An example of this is when you try to log in with the right credentials, but the server's database has crashed. This is an issue that the server developer must fix. Imagine if every API used different, random error messages like oops, invalid login, or wrong credentials, dude. This would be incredibly confusing for developers. That's why consistency is so important. A good error response should be structured and include 3 key components. A. Status code, which tells you the type of error, e.g., 400 or 500. A clear message describing the issue. An optional hint to help the client fix the problem. Here's a great example of a clear, structured, and predictable error response. It includes the status code, a general error type, and a specific message. Status, 400, error, invalid input, message, email field is required. This format makes it easy for developers to understand exactly what went wrong and how to correct it. To quickly summarize the most important points. A. 200 code means success. A. 400 code means there's a client error. A. 500 code means there's a server error. And always use consistent error messages. The key takeaway here is that status codes are the universal language between clients and servers. And consistent error messages make this language easy to understand. Without proper error handling, APIs are like a road with broken traffic signals, chaotic and dangerous. But with clear status codes and consistent messages, communication becomes smooth, predictable, and reliable. Thank you.